Beginning quilters, this course may be the single best decision you could make for yourself to drastically increase your quilting skills while enhancing your love of quilting in 2024. There are mountains of great quilting content available online, but without a roadmap, it's very likely you'll end up overwhelmed and disappointed, and maybe you're already there. I'm Mary from Joyful and Mary Quilting, and I'm here to tell you that the good news is you can become a proficient beginning quilter ready to move on to more challenging tasks in only 24 lessons if you follow my step-by-step process. Taking up quilting about 30 years ago is one of the best things I have ever done for myself. The joy, the therapy, the fulfillment it has brought me and others in my life has given me the excitement to teach you how to do it. I love teaching. And I can tell you with quilting, you often don't know what you don't know. It can lead to a lot of frustration, wasted money, lots of wasted money, clumsy mistakes, and giving up before you ever even get started. Instead of just piecing together random bits of quilting knowledge, let me guide you. In 24 sessions, you'll have the full foundation. You'll know and understand the techniques, the tools, the vocabulary, there's a quilting lingo, the language of quilt patterns, everything you need to develop this skill properly. You'll be joyfully quilting with precision in a very short period of time if you put in the work. In addition, you will be invited to join me in live group chat sessions spread out throughout the course. I'd like to show you everything we'll be doing each day in the course, so I've set up a free training session that will explain all that. Just click on the link below for completely free access to this training session. All it costs is your email address. Click on the link. I'll see you on the other side.